Some puzzles are left unfinished not because they are difficult, but because finishing them reveals a truth too dangerous to face. This is one of those stories. Welcome back to Twisted Tales TV, where forgotten secrets breathe in the dark, and silence hides more than screams ever could. Tonight's story is not about a crime that shocked the world. It's about a crime no one realized had already happened. This is the unfinished puzzle. When Daniel Harper found the puzzle, he wasn't looking for answers. He was only trying to escape memories. The house had belonged to his father, a quiet, meticulous man who believed everything in life had a place. Every book aligned, every clock synchronized, every word spoken only when necessary. After his father's sudden death, Daniel returned to the house for the first time in 12 years. The air felt stale, as if it had been holding its breath. In the attic, beneath old tax files and yellowed newspapers, he found a wooden box. No label, no dust, as if it had been opened recently. Inside was a jigsaw puzzle, 1,000 pieces. The image on the box cover was missing. Only a handwritten note lay on top. Some things should not be completed. Daniel let out a quiet, uneasy laugh. His father loved riddles, crosswords, logic puzzles, harmless games. Still, something about this felt wrong. The pieces were cold to the touch. That night, Daniel began assembling the puzzle. No ruse, no goal, just something to occupy his mind. The first pieces formed the corner, gray asphalt, a faint white line. A road, an odd choice for a puzzle image. Hours passed. The more pieces connected, the more unsettling the picture became. A street lamp, a sidewalk, a shadow that didn't seem attached to anything. Daniel told himself it was his imagination. At exactly 2:17 a.m., the power went out. The room fell into complete darkness. And then he noticed something impossible. One piece, one he was certain hadn't fit before, now clicked perfectly into place, as if the puzzle was correcting itself. The next morning, daylight revealed more details. A quiet residential street. Late at night, empty, except for a figure standing far away beneath a streetlight. The face was unfinished, but the posture felt familiar. Daniel frowned. Then he saw the letters. Subtle, embedded into the sidewalk like a watermark. A name, Emily. Daniel's breath caught in his throat. Emily Parker, his childhood friend, missing for 11 years. Last seen walking home alone one night. Never found. The case faded into silence. Daniel hadn't thought about Emily in years. At least, that's what he told himself. That night, he opened the box again and counted the pieces. 1,000. And one more. An extra piece lay at the bottom, darker than the rest. He tried to place it. It didn't belong anywhere. When he set it aside, the room grew colder. At exactly 2:17 a.m., the lights flickered. The extra piece was gone. In its place, the puzzle had expanded. The image now showed a hand gripping something metallic. A knife. Daniel stepped back, heart pounding. This wasn't possible. Puzzles don't change, but memories do. The dream started that same night. Every night after. The same street. The same lamp. Emily standing beneath it. She never screamed. She only whispered, "You left me unfinished." Daniel woke each time at exactly 2:17 a.m. Each morning, the puzzle revealed more. A parked car, a familiar shape, a blurred license plate. Daniel knew that car. He had been driving it that night. Panic took over. He tried to destroy the puzzle. He threw it into the fireplace. The flames died instantly. The pieces remained untouched. Cold. Later, he dumped them into the river. The next morning, the puzzle sat neatly on the attic table, more complete than before. Emily's face was clearer now. Tears streaked down her cheeks. She wasn't running. She was looking straight at him. The memories returned in fragments. The argument, the accusation, her threat to tell someone, the shove, the fall. Daniel had called it an accident. The puzzle didn't. It showed the truth piece by piece. Ascialo grave. Damp soil. A silver watch on Emily's wrist. A watch Daniel still owned. Only one piece remained. The extra one. It lay on the table, waiting. Daniel finally understood. The puzzle wasn't punishment. It was confession. Completion meant acknowledgement. At 2:17 a.m., he placed the final piece. The image completed itself. A man standing over a grave. The man was Daniel. Behind him, a shadow. Not his own. Morning light filled the attic when police arrived. Daniel sat calmly at the table. He had confessed everything. They tried to collect the puzzle as evidence. But when they lifted it, the image vanished. The pieces fell apart into blank cardboard. No street, no name, no crime. Only one piece remained. On it, a single word was written. Finished. Some puzzles are never meant to be solved, because once they are, there's no putting the pieces back. This has been the unfinished puzzle. You're watching Twisted Tales TV. Sleep well, or try to.